Hello guys, I know it's been a few days since I've come on live. So I'm sitting here at my son's school and I'm like, what can I do to pass the time? And I'm like, oh, I can go on live and say hi to everybody, and those that are watching me on a replay can catch me on the replay. My name is Donata Joseph and I am your virtual skin therapist. I am the owner and founder, of Donata Skinfood, and I am also the owner of Adding Doses of Hope Daily Foundation. So regardless of whatever I'm doing, whether it's through the skin or through motivation, I'm always trying to find a way to encourage you guys to become better versions of yourself, whether it's through skin or whether it's through my nonprofit organization. Hey guys, so as I said at the beginning, I'm waiting for my son to finish school, so I decided I'll jump on and talk to you guys, see if you guys have any questions regarding your skincare needs, see if there's anything you're looking forward to regarding your skin, wanting to make your skin better. I have a lot of customers that reach out to me with acne issues, so I will be doing a live stream on acne sometime in the next month. I did one before and it was very educational. I've also shared a lot of tips of things that you guys could start doing even today. Start today to get yourself on your skin food journey and getting your skin to the way you want it. Things that you could look forward to changing so that your skin can become better and be able to feel comfortable to wear your skin the way it is, no makeup, with makeup or whatnot. So I definitely want to make myself available to you guys, even if I'm not on live stream and you can't come on live to talk to me personally while we're on live stream. You guys know you're always welcome to drop a line in my DM. So today's skin food tip is, I'll just share a few things with you. One, I have a lot of customers that talk about dark circles and how they can help clear up their dark circles. I'm holding my phone, so hopefully it's not too shaky. I'm trying to make sure I hold it steady. I have a lot of people that ask me of how they can get rid of their dark circles. Dark circles stem from a lot of different things. One being too much sodium. So if you're noticing you're getting there's darkness around your eyes, check your sodium intake. A lot of us love to add salt to our food. Even if the food has salt, we don't even check it, and we turn around and we start adding salt to our food. Check your sodium intake. Another reason why you can have dark circles around your eyes is lack of water. So if you're noticing that your eyes are getting darker and it's kind of getting that raccoonish look, check your water intake. Some people, it's hereditary, so it doesn't matter what you do. If you change your diet, if you change your water intake, if you eat less sodium, you still have the darkness around your eyes. So some of it is hereditary, and there's really nothing you could do when it's hereditary. Some people, it's allergies. So like me, I find myself rubbing my eyes a lot, especially this one always irritates me more than the other one. As a matter of fact, it's acting up right now. So with mine, I know it's two things, well actually three. When I start getting the dark circles around my eyes, I know one, I've been rubbing my eyes too much, to the point where you could probably even see that this eye at times is acting up and it'll look a little bit smaller than this one. So with me, it's rubbing my eyes. It could be lack of sleep and lack of water. So for me, I know those three things are happening when I get the dark circle around my eyes. For other people, and that's why I'm so big on you guys having a relationship with your skin and understanding your skin. I was consulting someone at the farmer's market this weekend, and that's one thing I was explaining to her, to take the time to have a relationship with your skin. Take time to look at your skin. Take time to touch your skin. Of course, you want your hands to be clean when you're touching it, but take time to touch your skin and see, okay, this area is oily and this area is dry. You won't know that if you just jump up from bed in the morning and plop a whole bunch of makeup on in your face, run to work. Half of the time, by the end of the day, you're not even taking the makeup off. You're just going to sleep with the makeup. So take some time to get to understand your skin, get to know your skin. I also advise people, which they love this advice, and we journal about finances, we journal about losing weight, we journal about maybe our mental state every day. People journal about a lot of things, but we don't journal about our skin. So if you want to have a real good relationship with your skin, the best way to do it is to journal, so you understand what's going on with your skin at different times. So primary example, when my skin is a little dry and it looks dehydrated, I just think back to the last 24 to 48 hours and I realize, okay, I am not drinking enough water at all, and that's why my skin is acting up. So journal. Those that journal on a daily basis, that's perfect. Just add a few things about your skin. My skin looked lovely today, it looked glowy. My skin was dry, my skin was irritated, my flare-ups are acting up, especially people with acne, eczema, rosacea, dermatitis. All those flare-ups, those skin conditions that just pop up on your skin, definitely take the time to journal so you understand why your skin is flaring up. It could be something you ate and maybe you don't realize that it flares up your skin. A lot of people, especially with acne, their skin will flare up because of dairy, too much cheese. A lot of people, I'm asking them about, oh, I don't drink milk, I don't eat yogurt, but I love to eat cheese. I eat cheese every day. Well, maybe that's the reason why your skin is flaring up. Maybe it's environmental. You have allergies to the environment, you have pollen or certain trees, and your skin is flaring up due to the environment, and you're not aware of that. If you take the time to journal what's going on in your day, then you'll start to realize, okay, when I'm in this area, and let's say once a week, 2-3 days later, my skin is flaring up. Maybe it's something in this area that's causing my skin to flare up, or maybe it's stress. Some people don't tie stress and skin, and I actually have a podcast and I have a YouTube video that goes more in depth of skin. It's actually called Skin and Stress, and or Stress and Skin. Either way, it's one of those titles, but it ties the connection between being stressed and how your skin relates to stress. So I've said before, some people can be very stressed and it comes through their gut. Their gut starts acting up, they get bloated, they get indigestion, or they get stressed and they get very moody, or they get stressed and they get their bowel movement change. Stress can affect people in different ways. Stress can even affect people to become sick, but stress also reacts on some people's skin. So those high-end times that you're stressing a lot and then you realize 2-3 days later you have this big flare-up, you're not tying it to you going through a major issue 2-3 days ago, or you getting really stressed over work or the kids or whatnot. So definitely make that connection. Anytime your skin is flaring up, again, especially for those that their skin literally flares up, you can see pimples popping out and their skin is very irritated or very red. Take the time to tie what has happened in the last few days and start making a connection. And when you journal, you can say, okay, my skin is very irritated today. This is what I did the last 24, 48, even 72 hours. Then you kind of journal throughout the week or throughout the month. Your skin is getting better. You write your skin is getting better, what you used or did to help it get better. And then boom, a flare-up happens 1 or 2 months later again. Great. You can write what caused the flare-up within the last few days. And then by doing that continuously for 2 to 3 months, you can start tying, okay, this is the cause of my flare-up. Because yes, you could spend a ton of money on products. You could go to the dermatologist a million times. They're going to give you some strong steroids, some strong cream, something very expensive to put on your face. But if your flare-ups are internal or external and has absolutely nothing to do with your skin, you can use that expensive product on your face, that steroid or that cream that the doctor prescribed. But if you're not triggering or trying to decrease the root of your flare-up, hey guys, I'll sit there and talk because I know whenever you guys have a chance, you'll catch it on the replay. So if you didn't catch it at the beginning, go ahead and catch it on the replay. But if you don't get to the root of your skin issues, you can drop dollars all day. Yes, your skin will get better, but once you stop using that product, then you realize, okay, I'm having that issue again, and you have to go to the dermatologist. I had a customer come this weekend, and I showed a little clip of her video, but I didn't get to show her whole testimony. She was one customer that would go to the dermatologist. The dermatologist would give her heavy creams to put on her face. Of course, you're spending money to see the dermatologist. Then you're spending money on the creams that they tell you to buy. And you know, when you go to the dermatologist, the creams are not $20, $30. They're usually $100 and something. So you're spending money for the visit. You're spending money for the creams they tell you to spend money on. And then your face is doing fine. And then as soon as you stop using the creams, you start seeing your skin flare up again. So she was referred to me by a friend. So she came to the farmer's market, I want to say 3 weeks ago, and she started to use the pine tar and scar butter. And within 2 weeks, she started to notice, oh, it's getting hot in the car. Hold on, let me kind of put this window down a little bit. I'm like literally sweating right now. She came to me 2 weeks, actually she came to the farmer's market this weekend, and she said, hey Donata, I've been using your set for 2 weeks, and one thing I noticed, I don't have to put makeup on to cover my scarring. She used to have hyperpigmentation. And two, that $75 that she was going to spend this week to go back to the dermatologist, she's not going to spend. She's actually going to save it to buy my anti-aging serum, because she brought a little sample at the farmer's market. So that makes me feel like I'm on the right path when I have customers telling me, one, they don't have to run to the dermatologist because they're noticing that my products is working, and two, that you're using natural products on your skin that is healthy for you. You're not using something that you have to worry about what is the long-term effect that it has on your body. I have another customer that called me, I want to say it was a year ago, but her daughter has eczema, and of course went through the whole dermatologist visit, and a dermatologist was prescribing this heavy steroid for her daughter. Mind you, her daughter was 2 or 3 years old. This mother cried on the phone while talking to me because she felt like a bad parent, because she had no clue how harmful the steroids were, especially over a long-term use. She had no clue how bad it was, and she just cried and was saying how bad she feels. She felt like a bad parent because she was putting this on her daughter's skin. She was listening to the doctors. She never realized all the chemicals that were in the steroid, and that's what she was literally putting all over her daughter's skin because of the eczema. So my advice to you guys would be, take some time to study. Nobody's saying you have to stop using what you're using and go natural, go natural. You guys know that's not what I'm all about. I'm about finding what's best for your skin and you feeling comfortable with your skin. If you guys open up to me and share your story with me and I can find a way to help you, that is what I'm here for. But I definitely don't want you feeling bad because you've used a product and you didn't realize how harmful it was for yourself or your child. If what you don't know, you don't know. But once you do know, then you could take steps and measurements to find the right product to help heal your skin and your body at the same time. So that testimony, it made me feel really bad to hear that mom crying on the phone. And of course I reassured her and say, hey, you didn't know, so whatever you didn't know, there's nothing you could do about it. I haven't kept in contact with her, so I don't know where she is right now with her child, but I made myself available to her to express herself, get it out her system, and feel better about herself. And that's one thing that I want to set myself apart from other companies, that you guys have a relationship with me where you can contact me and you know what, Donata's gonna help me, even if I can't find something through her line, she's available for me to ask questions and she can guide me in the right direction. So I don't want to keep this live stream too long, guys. I was just taking a quick break before picking up my son from school. And I know I haven't showed my face and been on in maybe about a week. I have lots of things coming on for Black Friday. Every time I say I'm going to offer one or two things, then something else comes up and I want to do it. So I'm still working through what I want to offer. Again, for Black Friday, it's not going to be per se a sale, but I will be offering things that I don't offer. So if there's something I offer now, I'll be offering in smaller versions, or I'll be offering in different types of sets. Give me 1 second, guys. I don't know where this person wants me to drive to, but hold on, guys. Yeah, so I'll be offering different things and different packages, so that's something you can look forward to. If you're not part of my email, just know to drop your email address in click the link in my bio, and if you scroll down all the way to the end of the page, you can sign up for my email, because I will be offering my email subscribers everything first. As a matter of fact, for my email subscribers, I am going to give them a list of everything I'll be offering for Black Friday weekend. So anybody that subscribed to my email will get everything at once, and they can order whatever they want at once. They don't have to wait till I announce it on Instagram, and then every day we'll announce the different things that I want to do. So definitely sign up for my email. I'm very excited, and I'm even more excited because a lot of you guys are reaching out to me and are sharing your excitement with me. So I'm happy about that. This is my first year participating in Black Friday. I've never done it before, so I'm trying to get everything ready so it can run smoothly. Guys, remember, I am a small business. I am doing the best that I can to get things out to you guys. If there's any suggestions you have, and I meant to send out an email, I think I'm going to send it out today. If there's any suggestions you guys have, or ways that you feel that I can do better in my business, please send me an email. I will not take it as negatively. I will take it in a constructive criticism type way, because I want to offer you guys the best, and I want to be the best company that you guys entrust me with your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Thank you for watching, guys. Share it, send your friends my way, have them sign up to my Instagram, my YouTube, and all the channels that I have where I try to educate you guys. Thank you, guys. Have a blessed and glorious day. Bye.